We're here on a 490 Meridian, and this is a boat that we maintain regularly. And what that looks like here, it's in undercover moorage, so it doesn't get nearly as many hours of UV light, but it still gets dirty and salty. And so we do a monthly wash for these customers just to help keep the boat up. And really that just keeps the boat clean, makes it so when they come to use the boat, it's ready to go for them. They live on the other side of the mountains over in Yakima, so it's a bit of a trek. And when they get here, they want to be able to just take it out and enjoy it. They don't want to have to spend a bunch of time cleaning it. So we take that off of their to-do list. Right now is this dirty, it's salty, just because they went out and enjoyed it and used it and had fun with it. When they got back, they didn't have to worry about cleaning it because we're coming in a few days and we're going to do a full wash on the whole boat. What I equate it to is, it's kind of like hiring somebody to mow your lawn. At the end of a long week of work and seeing the lawn, mowed and edged and all that stuff has been a huge deal. I realize oh, this is what people enjoy when they show up and their boat's clean. And it's really similar. Like, we offer a similar service to a landscaping company where we come out, we take care of the boat, clean it for them, polish it, wax it when needed, so they can spend more time enjoying their boat rather than doing work on it.